Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview INTEX 18-foot by 48-inch Easy Set with Pump and Kokido Telsa 10 Handheld Vacuum. Get everything you need in one package. This set is constructed of super tough 30-gauge PVC and includes a 1,500 GPH filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and debris cover. The Kokido Telsa 10 Rechargeable Pool Vacuum is a handheld pool vacuum cleaner that runs on a rechargeable battery pack to thoroughly clear your pool of debris and filter clean water back out. The Telsa 10 has removable brushes that work hard to scrub embedded dirt out of your pool surface. Its wheels glide smoothly across the floor, making it easy for you to control. Product benefits. Easy setup design is ready for water in as little as 30 minutes. No tools needed. GFCI outlet feature cuts electrical current if components come in contact with water, adding additional safety and security. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.